Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial video, I will be helping you learn how to download videos from Viber. If you want to download videos that you receive on Viber on your phone gallery, then you can simply tap on Viber application. And then first thing you will need to do is make sure you are signed into it. Now tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on setting from your profile. Under your setting, tap on media. You will able to see an option to save to gallery. The very second one, simply tap it on. After you turn on the setting, what will happen is any videos or photos that you receive from one of your contact on Viber will be automatically saved to your photo library or gallery on your device. If you wish to stop downloading media to your photo library or your gallery, then come to the same page and simply turn off the setting. That is how you can download videos from Viber easily and quickly. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Thank you.